I'm Nicolette. Today we're going to draw a fly, but this one's a nice fly, it's quite a cute one. I will start and then I'll show you a story about this one. So I'm going to start with his little cute nose. Like that. Her cute nose actually, it's a girl, this character. I'm going to go up to her head. It's quite a biggish circle and it needs to connect. And I'm going to have a little bit there like that. Okay. And we're going to have a huge eye because that makes characters look cute. Okay, and then the same on this side. That one's poking out like that. And then I'm going to have part of the body here. That's the neck. And then I'm going to have big wings, nice rounded wings. Like that. To connect to there, and then another one going all the way around, connecting to there. Now then, I need to draw the legs. I'm going to put one here, like that, and his little foot. I'm drawing the legs first because I don't want lines through the legs if I draw the body first. But I would just use a pencil. I always use a pencil to draw with and then rub out when I make mistakes. And then I just want you to be able to see what I'm drawing. That's why I'm using this, to make it easier. So the only reason I've drawn the legs first is because I didn't want to go across the legs. So I'm going to come round here. This is going to be the back. And then I'm going to keep it rounded to that leg. Not straight, nice and round. And the same here. I'm just going to turn my paper because it makes my hand in a better comfortable position. And then I'm going to connect that to there. And then the eyes. So I'm just going to get this book out and I will show you. This is my book I wrote. My latest book. I'm going to just put the eyes on first. I'm going to have one there like that. There we go. And that. Oh, the eyelashes, I've forgotten. It's a good job I looked at my picture. I'm going to do nice long eyelashes for her. See, she's quite cute. There we go. So that's her. So this one, she's actually a character in my book. This is the last book I wrote. So here she is. You've seen that one there. That's one we've drawn. And this is her in my book. So, and this is called Lord Uppity. Now he's horrible. He's really nasty and greedy. Yeah, it says Lord Uppity steals Sea Town. So he likes this town that all the characters live in. And it's a nice town, but he wants it. He wants it and he wants everything for himself. So, yes, but the fly and this little cat, Scat, are the heroes of this story. So if you'd like to read it, you'll be able to find the link below. So the cat is actually the main character in all my books. So there he is. He's got his own story there, Scat the cat. He's in all my books because I like him. He's cute. So I would love to see your pictures. If you could send them to me on my email or my Facebook page, you'll find the details below. And I'll see you next time.